Okay, so here is the box. Nice packaging there. Okay, it's got the little stickers to hold it in place. Okay, pull back these little plastic stickers here. And there is the first look at Freedom Belt. Nice professional packing job here. And there you have it. I'll give a demonstration of the belt as soon as I get the bag and everything set up. This is designed for suspending a urinary drainage bag around your waist so that it's very secure and you can go about your day and have the freedom that you really can't get with the little elastic bands that usually come with these bags. So I'll make a video of that when I am ready to do that. But this is the first look at Freedom Belt. Okay, so here is the Freedom Belt laid out with the instructions and the box there. And the instructions are in both Spanish and English, which is very handy. There we have all of the English instructions. And on the other side, in Spanish.